Good morning. Maybe you caught me dozing off for a second. Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. It is pajama day. My pajamas on. Superman pajamas. Nice and comfy, comfortable. Many of you are in pajamas most days when you're working on your schoolwork, including me. All right, today, let's start in the bottom here with religion. It's chapel day. I'm hoping that you guys go to your email and click on the chapel and join us in chapel this morning. Each chapel's been fantastic. About 20 minutes long. That's our religion for today. So please check out chapel. And you also have memory that has to be done today if you did not turn it in and do it yesterday. And then you'll be working on memory for the Thursday and Friday. Okay. English. Let's skip that. Let's go over here to science. Here's what you have doing science today. Your travel poster and Flipgrid. Most of you have already recorded your Flipgrid and turned that in. I saw, I don't know, about 11 of them earlier or last night. Hope get the rest of them in. Posters are looking pretty cool. Um, so those are due today. And then Michigan Studies, you have lesson 1 and 2 review from chapter 6. It's done as a quiz. It's not a quiz. Hopefully you used your textbook to help you find your answers. It's just like those questions at the end. I just put them all together as one. Okay. So those are things you have to do today. Things that are due tomorrow, you have pronoun verb agreement and your grammar. This is the same as subject verb agreement that we've done before. So there is a video lesson for you there, a smartboard lesson to watch. And you won't find your assignment on your assignment page. You have to watch the video to find out what your assignment is. And let's see, I think that's it. That's due today. Sorry, I've got what's due tomorrow. Quadrilaterals in math. You'll be working on that. And that is due on Thursday. There's a video on quadrilaterals for you. And what else? Your end of mystery assessment for science is due on Thursday. It's only a couple of questions. You can use your science activity things. You can use the video to help you answer those. Right? That's what you got going there. Let's see what's due, what's coming up. That's in blue. It's in math. You have an IXL assignment to do. When you guys took the pretest on geometry, one of the things that many of you needed extra work on was triangles, and that makes sense. It's pretty common, especially when you have triangles named according to their sides and according to their angles. So DD 1 and 2 are required. Well, somebody's already done some of that, so you don't have to do it. So you need to work on those. And then there are a couple of you have a diagnostic to do. As a matter of fact, let me go to that so I can show you. Let's see if I can go. There we go. Let me get me out of the way here. And it's on that assignment, that announcement too. So Clint, Ava, Rakayla, Dylan, Addison have diagnostics to work on, as well as those DD 1 and 2. Okay, let me go back to this. Get out of there. Put me back over here. And let's see. Memory that's coming up for Thursday and Friday, and your anchor connection for science. Please try to make sure that's done on Friday when we meet for our Google Meet at 1 o'clock. Hopefully, everybody can make it. And we're going to talk about that. So, you're going to need your sheets. I think I mentioned that yesterday. Your 3 maps, you're going to need that. And you will hopefully have finished the anchor connection because we're just going to discuss what you've come up with as we try to figure out some answers to that hailstorm that happened. I think some of you might be getting a little closer to what happened. Okay. Over in Michigan Studies, I have recorded just a real short video with a little more information on what you read about called the Great Migration, to give you a little more information on how important that is to Michigan and how it affected the growth of Michigan. Right, so that's there. That's what your dashboard looks like for today and the upcoming days. A couple of you are still have not turned in your drafts for your writing. I will be working on grading those, not really, well, grading somewhat those today, but putting comments on there. So when I return them to you, kind of look at your comments. Remember, this is a work in progress. It's going to take some time. Some of you are going to have a lot to add to it, and you're going to see the growth that you've done over the couple of the week or so that we're working on these. So my plan is to get those done for you today, and then I'll get lesson 5 out to you on Thursday. What you're going to do. Okay, process looks good. I've been impressed with what I'm starting to see. I hope you're enjoying it. Any questions? You know how to get a hold of me. I'm stuck at my computer, right? Love you guys. Miss you. Have a great day and enjoy Pajama Day.